There are a number of basic misconceptions about cats that are deeply ingrained in the public mindset. Here are my top 6 little-known facts about cats. If these were more widely understood, cats and people would be able to live more happily together. 1. Cats often don't like other cats. Unlike dogs, who are pack animals in the wild, male cats tend to be solitary hunters, and while related female cats may work together to help each other rear their kittens, they tend to be picky about the company they keep. When humans force cats to live with one another in a small house, tensions are common, and these often remain unnoticed by the cohabiting humans. If you observe the behavior of the cats in your home, you can usually work out if they are happy together. If they ignore one another, hiss or lash out as one passes another, sleep in different places, and generally keep a distance between each other, then they are not friends, and you shouldn't try to force them to be. Common behavioral issues such as piddling in the home often relate to inter-cat feuds. There are some simple steps you can take to encourage cats to get along in a more relaxed way. 2. Cats don't like having their tummies tickled. People often complain that cats are happy to have their ears rubbed and their shins chucked, and even their flanks stroked. But when they roll over and expose their bellies, they get extremely cross if anyone tries to tickle them here. The reason for this is simple: if a cat gets along with another cat, then allo-grooming is an acceptable form of social bonding. This involves licking the other cat around the face, head and shoulders. The belly is not part of this process, so if a cat rolls over, be aware that belly exposure is not an invitation to petting in this area. Admire from a distance, or you risk having your hand bitten and scratched, unless you know that cat very well indeed. 3. A purring cat is not always a happy cat. Purring is a fascinating form of feline communication. While it's true that cats do purr when they are relaxed and contented, they also purr when injured, hungry or in pain. It's been said that cats purr when they have a friend, or when they need a friend. The purring sound has a frequency of around 26 Hz, and the sound is thought to have a reassuring, calming, comforting effect, as well as promoting healing of injured or inflamed tissues. 4. When cats rub you with their head, they are doing the same as a dog piddling on you. Cats have scent glands on top of their skulls. These produce pheromones that cats use to mark their territory. So when a cat rubs his head against your hand or your leg, this is not some form of human worship or adoration. Instead, the cat is marking you with their own scent, to claim you. It isn't dissimilar to that annoying visiting male dog who hawks his leg on furniture or people, to mark them as his territory. 5. Cats can suffer from toothache, which makes them grumpy. The anatomy and physiology of cats is very different to dogs, and dental disease is a good example. While dogs often suffer from periodontal disease, causing halitosis and loose teeth, they are generally spared the pain of toothache, caused by the dental decay that's common in humans. Cats, however, do suffer from a form of dental decay, known as phoral, especially on their back, lower teeth. Affected cats may show obvious signs, such as growling while eating, but sometimes they just become quiet and grumpy. I've seen many cats transform from crotchety old miseries into charming, friendly creatures following the extraction of painful teeth. If your cat has become grumpy in recent months, ask your vet for a dental checkup. 6. Lilies can kill cats. Kidney failure is common in cats, needing intensive veterinary treatment and often leading to the cat's early death. Often the cause remains unknown, but exposure to lilies is one proven factor. The pollen, petals, leaves and stems of lilies contain a toxin which causes serious kidney damage in cats. The typical sequence of events is for a cat to brush against a lily, pick up a dusting of pollen on their coat, then lick this off as they groom themselves. Alternatively, lilies may be placed above a cat's bed, with the pollen drifting down on top of them. The simple rule of thumb for cat owners should be, never have cats and lilies in the same room.